friends, Cassie here. I want to share with you a quick life hack, a mom hack for this upcoming summer or any time of the year. If you have old baby wipes that have dried out, save them because in this video, I'm going to show you what to do with them coming up. I'm going to show you all the ways you can use your dried baby wipes. We all know how expensive baby wipes are, so don't throw them away if they've dried out. Instead, I'm going to share with you my secret ingredient on how to turn these into the best cleaning wipes. You're going to need some baby wipes. These are dried wipes. They've dried out somehow, so I'm going to use them. You'll need distilled white vinegar, tea tree oil. This is important. It's antibacterial, antifungal, and any soap, preferably one with a pump and Ziploc bag, and some measuring utensils. A pitcher, something to stir the liquid. We're going to start off measuring 1 cup of water into the pitcher. You'll need 3/4 cups of white distilled vinegar and a few pumps of your favorite soap. I got this one at the Dollar Tree, but you can use any hand soap. I recommend using one with a pump. You'll need to add a few drops of tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is antibacterial, antifungal, and it is the key ingredient to this cleaning solution. You need to add the tea tree oil. It's very important. Do not skip that step because that is what's going to actually disinfect your surfaces. I didn't have enough soap, so I added a little bit more. I've made this recipe so many times that I know exactly the consistency I'm looking for. So in total, I added 6 pumps of the soap. Next, I grab a regular drinking cup to feed the Ziploc bag into. This is just going to help the baby wipes stand up straight so that I can pour the solution on top of the baby wipes. As you can see, these have dried out. Now that the wipes are standing up straight, it's easier to get the solution into every single wipe, every single baby wipe. I find that it's much easier for me to use this method. I prefer to do this rather than having them normally in the Ziploc bag. I'll pour the solution while the baby wipes are sitting upright, and then I will flip the baby wipes normally so that they can sit and I can pull from them. You'll get to see more of how I use these wipes in this video. I'm going to show you everything I do with them. I'm going to give you all my secrets on how to use these wipes. This is the hack I wish I knew when I had my first baby, so I'm sharing it with you. As you can see, I have the wipes normally, just like you would pull from a regular baby wipe container. And I'm going to clean my surface here so that you can see all the dirt it grips. I prefer using dried baby wipes over using paper towels. A lot of people make these hacks with paper towels. The dry baby wipes are so much better. Another way I like to keep them in my car, especially with summer coming up, we're on the road all the time, out at the park, going to places. These wipes come in handy. I like to clean the car quickly with them, dispose of them when I'm done. Clean the kids' hands with them because they're safe to use. There are no harsh chemicals on these wipes. That's why I love using them so much because they're easy to make. No harsh chemicals, nothing that's going to hurt you or your family. It's good for the environment, and bugs hate the smell of tea tree oil. So every time we're outside and I have these wipes, no bugs mess with us. That's an added bonus. I'll wipe my hands with them. I'll use them on the children. They clean so well and they're so durable. Because of the Ziploc bag, they never dry out. And the best part, look at all the dirt it grabs. It grabs so much dirt, so much better than a paper towel. Now, because this is in a Ziploc bag, we can fit this into a small, tight compartment, just like you see me doing here. You can pretty much put them anywhere. They are perfect for quick cleaning jobs, you guys. I'll just take a quick baby wipe and just wipe surfaces. I have another video of me cleaning this unit. You guys should know by now that I clean this unit like 3 times a day. These wipes come in handy because I just have them and ready to go. My children's high seats always get messy. I know yours do too. And these baby wipes, you cannot go wrong with them because again, they are safe to use near kids. You made them yourself. You know exactly what's in them. All natural ingredients. So they're safe to use on your babies, eating surfaces, and even their toys. They're so versatile because I can pack them away in a discreet pouch and I take them with me on the go. I love putting these in my purse and use them while we are out and about. I even like to use them while we are using public restrooms. They come in handy for tough cleaning jobs like that. Well guys, we've made it to the end of the video. If you've made it to this point, please remember to subscribe so I can continue to bring you these life hacks, and share if you care, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.